Hey everybody, Jeff here. Welcome back to the channel again. I just wanted to make a real short video for you today here to show you this deal of the day here from Lowe's, because you only have until midnight tonight to cash in on this. So on Lowe's website there, if you go to their main website, you click on the deal of the day here, and here's some summer deals of the day. They have some tile there. They have some area rugs, but this is what really caught my eye right here is this online only deal here that's, remember, it's only until midnight tonight. But this is an incredible deal here to get all of this here for only $99. So I can tell you right now, see this right here with these little, see this right here with all of the pliers and the needle nose and the cutters. I have this kit that I bought a few months ago for $20. So that right there is worth 20 bucks alone. There's the set right there. See, $22. The hammer is probably another 15. This drill driver is probably the one that's on sale now for 59. I don't know. But it also comes, this kit comes with 2 batteries and a charger and a 25-foot tape measure and 2 different drill driver accessory kits here. So I mean, and then the level here, you get the level and a utility knife here as well. So this is about 50% off right now from their normal $199 price. I've never even seen a kit like this, so I don't know if they just kind of mashed it all together. It's not something you would buy on the floor in the store. That's certainly not one that I've seen there before. But anyway, I just wanted to let you know about this one. If you wanted to buy a quick toolkit here for DIYers, or maybe you know somebody that moved into a house and you want to just get them started with a nice little toolkit here, this is definitely the way to go. Okay, now the thing is here, we don't know which model drill this is. They're not being specific about it here in the details, so we can't bounce the price off of any other source here to determine, okay, is that really a good deal? But I mean, you can tell by looking at all of this that it is a good deal. Because normally I could go in there and get a drill similar to this one for $59 on sale in Lowe's. See, there's the current deal that's going on right now on a drill driver, and that's probably the drill driver that's in this kit. And then if you compare that to this deal here, the Black & Decker one, and the Black & Decker this is just a normal price. This is not a deal of the day here. But you can see the Black & Decker is nowhere near as good. I don't even really consider them a real tool. But look how much they seem to be giving you a higher part count, higher piece count here. But that's because of this right here. That's all of those extra little bits there. So that's where they're deriving that extra cart. That is where they are deriving that extra count from. So I'm just not seeing it this as good of a set as the Craftsman set here. And then over here, you can see they still have the VersaStack 216-piece mechanics tool set here. This is the one we've been ranting and raving about because they've dropped it down to $99. We don't know if it's going to remain at $99 or not, but we bought this at Black Friday for $99. We had been watching it at $149 throughout September and October, and finally on Black Friday they dropped it to $99, and so we bought it. We did a tool review of this, comparing this one to DeWalt's 173-piece mechanics tool set from Costco. And I'll put a link to that video down below in the description for you. That was a great video that really shows how good these two mechanics tool sets really are. So after Christmas, the price of this shot back up to $149 again, where it stayed until right around Father's Day. So right before Father's Day, they dropped the price again. So we're hoping that this stays at this price here. And then back here on my homepage here, I wanted to point out 2 videos we uploaded yesterday about the 4th of July tool deals. And then back here on my homepage, I wanted to point out to you some videos we uploaded yesterday about the 4th of July sale. So here we are. Yesterday morning, we uploaded this video here, which is a more exhaustive look at the 4th of July sales online on Home Depot's website and also on Lowe's website. So in this video, what we did was we just pointed out the best of the tool deals that we liked there. And then if you come back up and look at the index again, we did this live stream last night from inside Lowe's to show you what's actually happening in the stores. So yeah, this was long. We had a lot of people asking a lot of questions, so we went and checked prices while we were in there for different people, and showed you all the different sale items that were going on in there. So like these, like what you're seeing right there, the manager's tags, those are the ones that may or may not be in your store, but certainly the manager in that store decided to mark certain items down there, and you'll see them everywhere in there throughout the store. So this is why we're telling people you need to get into the Lowe's or the Home Depot by you and see if they've done anything like that on any items that you're interested in buying on any of these tools here for the 4th of July sale. Yeah, so everywhere we went, we found these temporary paper signs that the managers put up there showing pretty steep discounts on certain items there. So make sure you come back and check out these 2 videos as well. Okay, now coming back over to the Lowe's website, I wanted to point something out to you. We notice this every year in the summertime when they do the 4th of July appliance sale here. So Lowe's does one and Home Depot does one, and the pricing is going to be virtually identical on the cases where you find similar models of refrigerators and stoves and other appliances like that between Home Depot and Lowe's. And the reason is that those are being subsidized by the manufacturer. And so, for example, here at Lowe's, this deal ends on July 8th. So what I wanted to warn you about is don't wait until 4th of July to go in there. And don't even wait until the weekend to go in there. If you know you're going to get an appliance, I would get in there today, because this is like the busiest week of the year for both Lowe's and for both Home Depot for their 4th of July sale and to get these appliance discounts. And so what happens is if you wait until the weekend, you're going to be stacked up on a reservations list waiting weeks to get your delivery when you're walking in there thinking, oh, I can probably get it today, blah, blah, blah. So this is why if you really need it absolutely quicker, I tell people to go to Lowe's, because, and you need to verify if this is true in your area, but our Lowe's here stocks many of the items that they're selling, even the items that are on sale. They stock them. And if it's in stock, it could be delivered tomorrow. And as long as the list isn't too long, you might wait a couple of days or so. But 9 times out of 10, when I've bought stuff from Lowe's, the appliances are delivered the next day to my remodeling flip projects that I'm working on. So that's what I try to do. I walk up and down the aisle with the salesperson, and I just look for different items that might be on sale there. And as I'm looking there, and they'll check in the stock, and they'll tell me if it's in stock, and that way I know I could get it either tomorrow or the next day. So that's what I wanted to warn you about. Now, Home Depot typically does not stock any of them. And so it's drop shipped from the manufacturer, which, like in one case we were looking at last year, was up in Atlanta. And here we are in Florida. So now you're talking about waiting days for it to be trucked down. Plus, you're on a long waiting list of people to get deliveries as well, on top of that. So just wanted to make sure that you're aware of that, to be able to be nimble and go to both stores and check out who has it, what's the price, what can I get it for, and when can I get it. And then I wanted to also tell you about this. So let's click on this here. And if you look here, they have these promo codes. See these instant savings with the promo codes? So I'm assuming that they may be on top of the sale prices. I'm not sure. But you want to make sure that you click this get promo code and that you print this out and you bring this with you to the store. And they'll have all the instructions on here on what to do. But you're supposed to take this up to the cash register with you. And when they're ringing it up, the cashier has to type in these promo codes here to get you these extra savings that you see here. So again, I haven't read too much into the details of them on how they're working, but all of these deals end on the 8th of July, but I'm telling you, don't wait. Particularly don't wait until July 4th, and especially don't wait until the weekend, because you're just going to be in a long list of people waiting for a delivery. So that's pretty much what I wanted to cover there on that for you. Okay, now shameless plug here. I just wanted to show you something we've done over on our other channel, the carbuyingtips.com channel. So the way you get to it is you type in up in the search box here, carbuyingtips.com, right? And it will take you here to our homepage where you click on the Car Buying Tips logo. And what we added is this video here on the tonneau cover game changer here. So here we did a review of this great new tonneau cover that you don't have to lift up the tonneau cover to shut the door. So what we're showing you in this video here is that, see how you can have the tonneau cover down and close your rear gate on the pickup truck there. See, because you know normally you have to lift up the tonneau cover there first before you can close the gate. But this new tonneau cover that we're showing you here allows you to just close the gate without having to lift up the tonneau cover first, which is a major game changer for any of you that have a pickup truck. So you definitely want to check out this video, and I'll put a link to it down in the description here below for you. So that's pretty much all I wanted to share with you folks today. Just wanted to keep it short and sweet because some of these items on here, like that Craftsman toolkit that I showed you here, that is a time critical item because you have until midnight. Don't hem and haw over this either. I always tell people, if you're thinking about it, get it now, because a lot of times these deals of the day can sell out. I've seen them sell out by 10 o'clock on certain items, so don't waste any time on it. And if we find anything else, hey, we'll let you know. We'll come back on. We'll upload another video, or maybe we'll even go live too. So just you make sure you're subscribed if you are not already. And once you click on that subscribe button, make sure you click that little gray bell icon that YouTube will alert you every time we upload a video so you don't miss out. All right, well, that's it, folks. Have a great, safe day. May your savings be great, and we will see you folks all on the next one.